He's nuts. Got him. Got him.
Come on, hit the 6, bro. Hit 6, bro. Come on, hit it up. Yeah, come on, 2 run. It's the last over, man. Come on, it's the last over. Come on. No way, bro. I think this green one will lose the match. Here's the guy over here, as you could see him, right? So okay guys, basically today I'm going to show you something which is very interesting. So if you are interested to see this video, stay tuned, bro. Okay guys, as you have seen that, you know, I have one small plate of Amla. We call this is Amla. I don't know whether you know this one or not. If not, then you know, you can call me. I'll give you for free, right? So this one we call it Amla in Hindi, and I think even in English also we call it Amla, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm sure that it is Amla. And I have a ginger, one piece of ginger. I know that every one of you know ginger, and this is basically, what is this one? Spoon, right? I have this one, and I have a cup of water over here, and I have a little bit of salt and a red chili, raw chili over here, and I have a knife to cut this amla, and then I have this main one over here, which is a container. Like a container is iron, right? Actually we have a big one also, but for me, you know, because I have less amla, so I prefer the small one. If I have more amla and many of us are there, then I will use the big one. But for now, because I'm alone here, I use the small one, which is pretty cool. And then I have this what we call this one. Actually it's a small iron, it's a small iron, and it has some weight, like around like 500 grams, something like that. And then this one for chopping this amla inside this container that I have. So okay guys, maybe you wonder that why I'm showing you all of this thing and stuff, because I want to be cool. Alright, so okay, let me show you the output after doing all the stuff and things right now. First of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this amla into the container with a knife. So let me cut it. Like I'll cut it big one, right? Like this. Have to cut it just like this. When you chop in this type of a container, make sure that you hold like this, and leave the place only for this particular iron, or else the things which is there inside the container will come out when you start to chop it or paste it, or whatever you call it. It depends on you, but for me I call chopping. Chop. And after that, after chopping it, I'll put some water, because my main aim is to get a better taste, to bring that water that coming out from this amla. Have you ever tried this? Or maybe have you ever wondered this thing? After eating like a lot of amla, like 4 or 6 pieces of amla, and after some time you take a glass of water and drink it, then you'll find that, oh shit, maza aega. Have you ever tried that? If not, then come on and try it. I think this amla is available everywhere, all around India, all around the world. Okay guys, here's the output of this one. Oh shit, oh yeah, it will be very sweet and cool, right? this is the output. I don't know whether the camera can focus it or not, but you know, it is what it is. So now I'm going to eat it. Too much chili, too much. I need water.
These nuts. Got him. Got him.
It's too hot, man. It's too hot. What to do in case you have loose motion or you are having stomach pain after having hot spicy food like this, or hot spicy fruit like this, right? So let me show you. But I think it is fruit. This is a traditional fruit in all around Meghalaya. Whenever you visit to other people's house, or whenever a guest come into your house, the first thing you do is you give him this nut and betel, and a betel, yeah, betel. We call this one betel, right? Together we call it betel nut, and plus a little bit of lime. Actually, this is not a Himalaya, it is a lime inside, to eat together with this thing, right? So, okay, now I will show you what to do in order to prevent from stomach pain. First of all, you have to peel the skin of this nut and then eat the inside one, the pea one. I don't know what we call the inside one. So let me do it. And I have one leaf of a betel, like, you know, totally one leaf, and half teaspoon of salt, and then I have a ginger. I have to peel the skin of this kwai or nut, then I have to eat it together. See, half pieces of it, half pieces. I'll take out ginger. Let me clean it a little bit. Done. And as I've told you that I take one leaf of betel, and then half teaspoon of salt. Just roll it like this. This one. Done. This is the container that we put our betel nut and lime. So whenever people visit our house, first of all we give them this one. This is our traditional practices. Okay, man, I'll close this video till here only because I don't want to waste our time. I hope that you got what I'm trying to show you. If you see my video and you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below there, that one over there, and then press the bell icon. There is small bell icon over there, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll get a notification over time. Before man,